Hello and welcome to
Cooking with
Math!
I didn't say math.
Not yet.
So we're gonna shape some cookies. I gotta wash my hands first.
So we just finished.
Okay, so we're finally done.
Now we're gonna put this in the oven.
Okay, so now we're gonna check on our cookies. Be careful. Guys, the cookies are done. So how does baking relate to math? We use math to estimate the price of a certain dish.
Well, part of the cooking process is putting in the ingredients, and each ingredient has a certain mass, which is measured in grams, milligrams, kilograms. And then, in order to count the weight of it, you just get the mass times the gravitational constant, which is 9.8 meters per second squared.
When baking, you need to set a time to the oven. You also need to calculate how long it will take for the oven to heat up.
And baking also is a vital factor. If you use the wrong amount of something, then your baking could have uneven proportions.
Ingredients have relationships to each other in a recipe, which is a very important concept in cooking. It's also important in math.
So like every ingredient we bought, it was worth something, and then it ended up being everything.
That's priceless.
In math, this relationship between two quantities is called a ratio. So if the ingredients calls for 1 egg and 2 cups of flour, the ratio would be 1 to 2.
Please give us a name.
Please give us a name.
Please give us a name.
Thank you.